Assalamu alaikum.
The Sealed Nectar Challenge. Learn the Seerah through quizzes. Part 4. The Message and Prophethood. When the revelation stopped for a while, how did Muhammad, peace be upon him, feel? Very sad and distressed. What did Muhammad, peace be upon him, sometimes think of doing when he felt desperate? Throwing himself off a mountain. Who appeared to comfort Muhammad, peace be upon him, each time he felt like hurting himself? Angel Gabriel alayhi salam. What would Gabriel tell Muhammad, peace be upon him, to reassure him? You are Allah's messenger. What did Khadijah do after Muhammad, peace be upon him, came home shaking? Wrapped him in a cloth. What did Khadijah believe about the experience of Muhammad, peace be upon him? That he was indeed a messenger of God. After Gabriel reassured him on the mountain, what did Muhammad, peace be upon him, do next? He returned home safely. When Khadijah sent someone to look for Muhammad, peace be upon him, on the mountain, where was he? Standing quietly in the same place. According to one account, what did Muhammad, peace be upon him, decide about telling the Quraysh? He decided not to tell any of them. What happened to Muhammad's fear after Gabriel's message on the mountain? He calmed down and felt safe again. The second stage was what the angel cast into the prophets. B. Mind and heart. The third stage was the angel visiting in the form of a human being. The fourth stage was the angel coming like the toll of a bell, which was the most difficult form. During the fourth stage, what would happen to the prophet, peace be upon him, even on a cold day? Sweat would stream from his forehead. If he was on a camel during this revelation, what would the camel do? B. Kneel down immediately. Thank you for watching and testing your knowledge with us today. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more short quiz videos from the Sealed Nectar, Ar-Raheeq Al-Makhtum. See you in the next quiz.